Hi, my name is Sharad Gupta and I am a lecturer in Department of Computer Science, University Polytechnic, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad. And today my topic is class and object in C++. Class. Class is the most important feature of C++ that leads to object-oriented programming. A class is just a blueprint which declares and defines characteristics and behavior, namely data members and member function respectively, and all objects of this class will share these characteristics and behavior. Class is a user defined data type which holds its own data members and member function. The variables inside class definitions are called as data members and functions are called member function. Once a class has been defined, we can create a number of objects belonging to that class. A class may be thought of as a data type and an object as a variable of that data type. Each object is associated with the data type class with which they are created. A class is a collection of objects of similar type. For example, mango, apple and orange are the member of the class fruit because class fruit describes the properties and behavior of mango, apple and orange. So, this is the another example of class. In this example, we have to create a class named car. There are many types of car with different name and brand like Mercedes, BMW and Audi. But all of them will share some common properties like wheels, speed limit, mileage range and etc. So, here car is the class and wheel, speed and mileage are the properties. So, this class describes all the properties and behavior of that type object like Mercedes, BMW, Audi. So, this is the class and this is the object of that type class. Now, how to create a class? A class definition starts with the keyword class followed by the class name and the class body enclosed by a pair of braces. For example, we define the student data type using the keyword class as follow. This is the keyword class and this is the class name student. There are two variables name and id. So, what is an object? Object is a real world entity. It may be a table, a laptop, a person, dog, TV, etc. which is vary in real world. Now, the object in C++, objects are basic runtime entities in an object-oriented system. Objects are instances of a class which are user-defined data types. They may represent a person, a place or any item that the program must handle. Objects take up space in memory and have an associated address like a structure or unit in C. But class doesn't take space in memory, but without any class, we have to not create any object. So, how to create an object? A class provides the blueprint for object. So, basically an object is created from a class. We declare objects of a class with exactly the same sort of declaration that we declare variable of a basic data type. Like int is a data type and x is a variable. Like this, we have to create an object. The syntax of object: class name, object name. Following statement declare two objects of class student. This is the class student and this is the object. Declare a of type class student. This is the class student and this is the object of type class student. Now, this is the small program to how to create an object in a program, and this is the class name person, and there are two variables, name and id, and this is the access specifier, and this is the function, and this is a return type. Now, this is the main function. The return type of this function is int. Now, we have to create an object of class person. P1 is a object of class person. So, this is the object P1, and we have to create an object class type person. Now, the difference between class and object. Class is just a blueprint or template from which objects are created, but object is an instance of class. Class is a group of similar objects. Objects is real world entities such as pen, chair, a person name, dog, anything. Class is a logical entity, but object is a physical entity. Class does not allocate memory when it is created, but object allocates memory when it is created. Class is declared once, object created many times as per requirement. But without any class, we have to not create object. So, first of all, we have to create a class. After that, we have create more than one object of that type class. Okay. This is the how to access data member. The public data member of objects of a class can be accessed using direct member access operator dot. Let us try the following example to make the things clear. Include isostream.h. This is the header file. Now, this is the class student, and this class they are the variables int type, roll number, and this is the function. Their type is void. This is the access specifier. Now, we allocated a value into roll number 010. This is the print your value. This is the main function in which we have to create an object. This is the class name and this is the object name. Now, how to access a member function? This is the member function, set roll number. Now, it is accessed by the object a dot function name. or member function. A dot member function name. So A dot set roll number. Now with the help of dot operator we can access a data func member from the class. So this is the return type, it is return 0. Okay, now this program we write on a compiler. So we write this program on compiler. This is the header files, include iostream dot h, and we have to create a second header file dot h. Now we have to create an class student, and a function clear your screen. Now we have to define a variable roll number and access identifier public. Now this is the return type of your function name, set roll number. The curly bracket, and we assign a value to roll number is equal to 101. Now this is the cout which print your value. Student roll number is, so did this roll number and this is close your class. Now we have to create an int function main. This is the return type int and this is the main function. In this we have to create an object of a student type class. This is the student class name and object A, and object A is access the member function set roll number. Get ch for stop your screen and return a value 0. Now this is your program. Now we have to compile this program. And this is ready for run. There is no error. Now we have to run this program. So now your program is run and your output is student roll number is 010. So your program is successfully run and you have get a output. Thank you.